Welcome to another episode of Broken Cars on Juice Moose. Anyway, I got stuck in the gas station. This is a 2005 F150. Very common problem. Very common is getting stuck in park. Okay, the actuators go bad on these things, or the switch that turns on your taillights. So mine's currently working, but I need to fix it. Basically, when the key is on and you push the brakes, you should hear clicking. Okay, you hear the clicking? That means the actuator is actually working right now. But what do you do if the engine's running and you push the brake and it's stuck in gear and it's not clicking? Remember, there's 160,000 miles on this truck, and I usually carry some small tools with me, thank God, because this thing should just pop right off. Although I can't get it to just pop off because my shit's pretty tight. It's in pretty good shape still. Anyway, you give it a little pop, and that gets your cover off, and that gets you access to your lockout switch, your manual one, which is right here. Okay, push that down, and you can switch into reverse, neutral, and drive. Currently, though, since I was playing with it and moving it around, it's actually working right now. Why? I don't know. But this is what she looks like when she's working. And I lied. She's not working. She is stuck. Hold that button down, and you got reverse, neutral. Sorry, I got one hand, guys. Drive. Now it's working. See how intermittent that is? That tells me that this actuator switch is probably going bad right here, and I'm going to have to replace it. At least that's my Corona. At least that's my starting point. Also, pretty cool place to hide illegal things. Not that I would ever do that. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. If I get around to repairing it myself, I'll do a video on the repair. If I get too busy and I have my mechanic do it, then I'll have him do it. But I imagine this whole center console thing has to come out so you can get access to the screws back here. Anyway, hope that helps somebody who's stuck at a gas station.